So today I'm eating at Five Guys. I've never eaten here. Bacon cheeseburger, no bun, wrapped in lettuce, mayo, lettuce, pickles, mustard, and tomatoes. Oh, this is gonna be messy. But oh my gosh, this looks so good. There's gonna be no way I can eat this like where it's not falling everywhere. This is so messy, like it's dripping. Oh crap. This is gonna be a little bit more high calorie, but I only eat breakfast or lunch and then a small dinner. I don't eat both. I didn't eat breakfast this morning. I just had coffee. This is my lunch until dinner tonight. This is a really good burger, but way overpriced. It's just a burger.